Hello guys, back again to my YouTube channel with me Harris, and Karen is actually currently holding the baby Harrison with us. So in this video we will pot all the plants that we have bought and we are going to put it on the pots. Ta-da! Of course you need a pot. This is my workshop, friends. So these are the place whereby I put all my plants. This is actually the first floor, the first story of a building, and it has kind of like, this is kind of like semi-outdoor also. Well, that's outside, and this inside is the patient's waiting room. Yes, I'm a doctor and my wife is a dentist. And yep, we're going to put it on the pots. Yay! Number 1, Calathea ornata. Calathea ornata with the pink strips. Yeah, pink stripes. And this is pretty good, pretty cool. We're going to put it into this pot. Yeah, so all these are being sent online, and they put really a nice package here. I guess they're professionals though. So they're putting the soil inside of the black plastic bag, and then they wrap it with the plastic so that it sealed the humidity, the water and stuff, so that it can remain fresh. Even though these plants doesn't really receive sunlight. Of course, 5 days in the box, in the card box, who will receive sunlight, right? They come in pretty fresh though. So it's very happy to do online shopping, and I'll definitely do second one, third one, fourth one, because it's so much cheaper than the price if you buy at the local nursery. Well, then again, it's Indonesia, so everything is cheap here. And this is baby Harrison here. I want to say hi, baby Harrison. Baby Harrison with my wife Karen. Hello, baby Harrison. Yep, tune in. This will go here. This will go here. Ooh, and the black pink color. Love it, love it, love it. Black pink color will go to the black pots, I think. And rabbit food. And then this Calathea that really resembles to the black pink. This is green and silver. This is black and pink. Ooh. You will go there. You will go there. You will go at a smaller place, smaller pots. We'll go. So we have this 10 centimeters pots. The weakness with these pots, of course, it's not big, it's very small, and of course it dries up very fast. Have lots of holes, so don't worry about being too wet or root rot, because this will definitely help with the problem of a rotting of the rot. So yeah, put the soil there, put the plant there, and we'll be finished. We'll start. Oh, I think smaller plants will go to smaller pots. Oops, I forget the scissors. Let's go upstairs and take the scissors first. And yes, we're back again with the scissors. Ta-da! And also, my wife just recently bought this. It's a mini, kind of like shovels and mini fork to help us to clean the root with. So we'll start. Starting with you first. Ta-dam, ta-dam. Unwrapping, unwrapping. Unwrapping, unwrapping. Unwrapping, ta-da! Oh, it's actually made from a plastic pot also. So you can basically just put more soil into this pot, plastic pot, and then it will do also. So that's the root. Whoa. Look at the condition of the root, yeah? Super healthy. Super healthy. So they use the paddy kind of like rice skin. It's rich in vitamin B, I heard. So yeah, we always use that in Indonesia. Because to find other potting mix and stuff, they are very, very expensive. So that will go there. and so lucky that I have so many soil left, so that I can just simply put into the pots. Alright, this will go straight like that. The root is healthy. Shuffle it in. This is a very relaxing activities, friends. You should really try. If you have certain anxiety, I will definitely suggest indoor planting, because this will definitely help you to not be so stressed and be like enjoying nature a bit. Because really nature is like God created all this and for us to enjoy. And since this COVID situation, we're all staying at home. And yeah, cannot really enjoy nature. There we go. Number 1 is done. Let's go for number 2. You'll be going first. This one. Ta-da! Of course, unwrap. And these are all. Oh no, this is not all of my plant collections. I still have a lot though. And I still have a lot on the second story. I have a lot also in the front of the shop house. So I guess I started this hobby when Harrison is still in my wife's womb. And really thank God for that. Yeah, again, seed pots that you can use actually. But let's not use that plastic seed pots. Put it in the 14 centimeters diameters plastic pot that you can use. Oh, boo 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 boo. Of course, the plastic seed bag can always be used there. Look at the roots. Healthy root system. Yeah, healthy, very healthy. They make a packaging very well and good. And like before, oh, I can use this. Membeli peralatan yang diberikan oleh istri. Use the fork. Thank you, wife. This is my birthday present. Ooh. Help the soil. Help the root to be separated. Oh, this is actually 2 different plants. See, amazing, right? They even gave us 2 plants. But since they're very small, we can always just put them into 1 pot. Like usual. Hey, if you are into this hobby of indoor gardening, make sure you are not afraid of the worms, number 1, and germs. I mean, of course, we'll clean up after this, but make sure you are ready to have your hands on. You can put on a gloves for gardening gloves, or just get ready with your dirty hands, and then you can always wash later. Yep. I guess next time we can make a video how to like really have a nice gloves on also. Since this is too small, I'll try to use the bigger one. Oh, it's here. Ta-da! Shuffle. Put in, shuffle, put in, shuffle. Shuffle, put in, shuffle, put in, shuffle, put in. Yep. Done with the second one. Calathea ornata. I already have this one though, so it's an addition to the collections. Calathea ornata, or the pink stripes, or Calathea. Ready for the third one. Okay. This is the third one. Third one. Oh, look at the new leaves. New leaf will unfurl very soon. Yeah. Also, we use the fork again. Hop, hop, plastic. Plastic wrap. Use the fork again. Healthy rooting system. You don't want to damage the new leaves though. It's super cool. Wow, 2 new leaves, guys. 2 new leaves. Number 1. Number 2 is will grow into a very big leaves. Yep. Okay. Ready. Put the soil in. Good rooting system. Good root system. Yeah. Oh, 3 new leaves actually. It's coming. So it's 1 here, 2 there, 3 of the big one. Put it in. Shuffle the soil in. Shuffle the soil in. Shuffle the soil in. And the thing with indoor plants, right? You will want the soil not to be so thick and then basically killing the roots. If it kills the roots, then the root will rot in no time and then your plant will die. So make sure it's loose. The soil is loose. There we go. We're done with the 3rd one. Ta-da! And we'll be happy to see some of the new leaves coming up very soon. Next. Last but not least, this black pink Calathea. This is very expensive in the local nursery. I don't know in your country though. But this can go up to $30 if it's all full grown at a big size. Up, ready? Ready? Take the soil out. Wow, this is a potential root rot. This is a potential root rot, and the root doesn't seems very happy. Wow, we might want to do something extra with these guys, and might want to be very careful that this guy might die. The rooting system is good, but this is a potential root rot. Can already smell that it's almost like rotting. Wow. We need to be very careful with this. Very, very careful. Loosen up a bit. So, as the conclusions, Stromantha Geostar. Good condition. Very healthy. Loving it. Calathea ornata. Pretty good. Some of the leaves have holes and it's broken. I think this will survive also. Will be good. Calathea ribbit fruit. 1 leaf is actually broken. Might want to cut that off later. This is a very tiny plant. Seed. Good also. Calathea black pink. I don't know, guys. Hopefully it will last. And Calathea, I really forget the name of this plant. It will go later. It's doing very well. So that's everything that we packed. It's actually the whole Calathea, 4 sets of Calathea that we bought online in Tokopedia. It's very friendly. The price is very friendly. Yay! So, loving it. See you on the next videos, guys. Catch you later. God bless you.